Hi guys, it's Mark from anypond.com, your trusted resource in the UK for ponds and water features. And today's video is all about the Pond College update. We're coming to the end of March and I wanted to take this opportunity with this Pond College video just to let you know what's going on here at Pond College. With some serious notes, I've signed myself off from building ponds and water features for the moment because I've been taking painkillers to keep myself building ponds, building water features, because as you guys know, I love it. You will still see me building ponds and water features on these videos because we've got footage of last year's videos and what we've been doing up till now. But anything from now on, yes, I'll be helping you build ponds and water features. I've got a whole list. So here's my goal board for 2021. As you can see, we've got 60 videos spread out. We're on week 12. I've got 8 videos, but we've got 60 videos coming to you this year. So we've got 6 pond building videos, we've got 6 pondless videos, 12 Pond College videos, we've got 6 fountain videos, we've got 12 product videos, and at the end of this video we're going to be asking you what product do you want me to showcase in a couple of days. So you put it in the comment section, have a think about what aquascape product or what products you want me to review, and I'll do that for you. We've got 6 CAC profiles where I go out and profile 6 other CACs. You know, I'm a CAC in the UK, so there's British CACs all up and down the country, and I want to bring 6 CAC project showcases where I go out and they take me on a lovely pond tour with you and we can enjoy that. And also we've got 12 education videos. So I've done 3 already. So that's the goal. But essentially what I want to do is I want to help you dream, plan and enjoy like I've done for a number of years now. But I've got to look after my back. I've got hernia in the lower back and I can't afford to take painkillers for the rest of my life where my back is actually getting worse and worse and worse. So I've decided to stop taking the painkillers. I have stepped down over the last 6 weeks. I have got, I've changed my diet, I've changed chiropractor, I'm having multiple treatments a week and getting to the point of where I can carry on thinking without taking painkillers. So my brain's not necessarily thinking about the pain. Yes, I've got a dull ache at the moment and that's just sitting here talking to you. But at the same time, my biggest goal for this year, you've seen my videos, is not have any back pain and not have any painkillers. And I'm sure you can appreciate it. You know, I really do love my job. And as you can see, we're going to take you around on the Pond College tour. Now we've got the serious bit over and done with. There's been a little bit happening here at Pond College, not a massive amount. We've still got Charlotte's water feature in the sandbox here, and if you want to check out that video, it is on the channel. We've also created a bit more of a different sandbox here, so rather than having a pre-installed basin, we've got a box here that you can come and install an Aquabasin 45, which is the biggest basin. This one here is 114 centimeters by 114 centimeters, so this is more of a, again, another waterfall training box. Also, going on from last month's video at Pond College, we talked a little bit about the volcano effect. Now, one of the results from me having a bad back is it's a case of I'm looking for a lot more help. We've hired a lot of guys and we're still looking for people, but we're looking for men and women to come and join our team, and there's a great opportunity at the moment. And the reason why I'm saying this to you is we have had somebody come in really keen, want to impress us, and they wanted to build something in the sand pit. So this is a classic case of having a volcano effect. So this is a basin in the bottom, just like Charlotte's video of how to build a waterfall. And what essentially has happened is you've taken the sand out of the sandbox and created a mound. So as you can see, it looks like a volcano, and somewhere in there you've got a spillway box, as you can see up here now. We can train you to build water features not like this one, but what we can't do is we can't teach attitude. So we hire for attitude and we train for altitude. So there's a little bit that's been going on in the sandbox, and we've got somebody coming in because essentially we're looking for a team to replace me building the ponds and water features, because there's a lot of demand for ponds and water features, especially the ecosystem pond range. Let's go over here now to Daniel's sphere garden. It's still not finished, I'm afraid. But as you can see, the water's still flowing. He's not been back yet, but he will be back. He's been too busy building his own water features for his own company. But as you can see, I've put the fire on today just for your pleasure, the fire add-on kits. And also Daniel put in a pondless waterfall, part of his certification process, where you must build 3 aquascape water features as part of your certification process. And this one is the waterfall out the front here at Pond College in the actual car park. And look at that, there's no volcano effect whatsoever. And as you can see, that's part of where we park the cars. As you can see my van in the background. We're probably actually going to turn that into a water feature one day. That'll be exciting, won't it? To have a water feature coming out of the back of the van or what have you. Another exciting thing here at Pond College is the fish have started feeding. So I'm sure that they're going to come and say hello. I'll spin the camera around now and we'll go down to the pond that I built in the first lockdown. Let's grab some food. Yeah, look, they're coming straight over now already. So what we've got in here is we've got a multiple number of different fish. So we've got shabumpkins, we've got ghost koi, we've got goldfish, we've got white goldfish. And they love it. So what I'm actually feeding here now is I'm feeding a premium cold water fish food. It's a small pellet and it's designed for small fish. As you can see that these fish, they're probably maximum of about 8 inches long. Some of the ghost koi have grown probably 6 inches last year since we put them in the pond. So this stone here is actually 3 foot deep, and we have got footage of this pond being built during the first lockdown, and as you'll see, it will come out later on in the year once we get some more footage of the pond, you know. So like it'll be a 12-month on video, but it'll be like how we built this pond. And again, having the volcano in the sandbox, it's inspired me to educate and inspire you guys, and I don't want any more volcanoes being built here at Pond College. So I'm going to go through a series of know how to build a waterfall. We'll show you how to build a waterfall. Then we'll get someone to do it that is going through that process. Then we will review what they've been doing, and then they're going to teach somebody new. So it's the whole know, show, do, review, teach, learning scenario, and that's all been inspired by the volcano that's gone in. And I blame myself, because essentially he didn't know how to build a waterfall, and also we didn't show him how to build a waterfall because he was so keen. He wanted to do the actual waterfall, and it made a classic mistake of a lot of people do that. Also, another thing what we've done is we've put in 2 more power heads. So there's no dead spots now, and that's helped no end. So it's not just the magic treatments that we put in, the pond starter bacteria, and also the barley straw extract, but we have actually put in 2 more power heads that are 40 watts each, just to keep the circulation so there's no stagnant areas. So we push in water over to the skimmer, which is in that corner, and then that feeds the waterfall up here. So there's not really been that much work that's been done here at Pond College, but one thing that has been done is Charlotte's garden has had some improvements. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? It's a very small DIY pond kit. It's 6 foot long, 4 foot wide, but it's got a beautiful stream. I love the sound. I'm going to be quiet for a minute. Isn't that fantastic? It's just marvelous. Yes, Charlotte didn't do it just on her own. We've got a new guy called George, a little bit camera shy at the moment, but I'm sure we'll be okay and we'll get him on camera. Yes, again, we've done a time lapse on this pond build, so you will see this pond being built via time lapse. It may be that I do a voiceover, or I might even get George and Charlotte to do a director's cut and tell you what they did. Probably is going to be a longer video, again, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, how to build a 6 foot by 4 foot pond, 2 foot deep. I would have loved to give them a hand, but I can't because of my back. You know, it's very, very hard. I'm sure multiple people watching this video can appreciate, you know, hernia is not a good thing. Still not done anything with the floating Zen garden. We've done a little bit of work on the landscape boulders around the NRG waterfall. We've not done any more work on the NRG waterfall. As you see, the last bit that we did was we stopped the water from going down the back of these stones. But again, I can't not show you You know, these videos from here at Pond College are almost like a video update for you guys that can't come here. It may be that you're on another island, another country, somewhere else, and you're following us along. You've probably seen this, but we've not done any more work. Freddie's got to come back, but Freddie is, it may not have been announced yet, but he is the latest British CAC. Also, we've got the spillway bowl and basin set up, and Josh from Yorkshire Aquascape came in and helped us with that installation. I've got a little bit of tweaking to do. What I want to do is increase the flow, so I'm going to upgrade the pipe work inside it. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Put it in the comments section below. What product should I showcase next in the next couple of days? Hopefully you are inspired by the 60 videos that I'm going to bring to you, maybe even more, but I'm really gunning for this 60 videos. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to produce 7 videos in April, May, June, July, August and September, and then a couple more videos, probably 3 or 4 in October, November, December, when it's outside of the traditional pond season. Also, for the local market, for the people around this, if you want a job, get in touch. We have got adverts out there for landscape gardeners. So my name is Mark, the Pond Advisor, and I'm here to support you dream, plan and enjoy ponds and water features. Till next time, see you in the next video.